The 2011 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.